everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we are going to do something different. We are going to prepare a deep sleep tonic which will help you sleep better at night. I know in today's world, modern world, there is a lot going on and we usually all of us have like some issues with sleep or anxiety. And this is something that I make when I'm feeling like a bit anxious, you know, like those days where you can't really calm yourself down. I've just started an Ayurveda certification program with Deepak Chopra and I've been going through a lot of Ayurvedic recipes and Ayurvedic knowledge, and this is one of them that really helps me, so I hope you guys like it as well. So what I'm going to need is I'm using almond milk, but you can use any type of milk you want. You can even use cow's milk. It doesn't have to be vegan, but because I tend to drink this before sleep, I like something that's based on plants, so it will be easier on my digestion. So almond milk, coconut milk, hazelnut milk, they all work great. And I've added about 2 cups of almond milk in here, and I'm going to add some spices. I'm adding some turmeric, which I absolutely love. I'm going to add some black pepper, which helps activate turmeric. I'm adding some cinnamon, which is always a good idea. I'm going to add some muscat. I have 2 dates. You can add up as much as you like, but I find like a date a cup works great for me, so I'm adding in 2 dates. And I'm going to get some cardamom in here, 2 pods, and I'm going to crush them. You can add in these pods to your coffee, you can add them in your sugar jar. They will give a very nice flavor. It also goes amazing with cocoa, so you can add this in your cocoa jar too. And I'm going to give everything a go. And you can enjoy this as is, but what I like to do is I like to warm it up a little bit so it's nice and soothing. So I'm simply going to transfer to my saucepan here. Put the heat on. And I'm going to heat it up for about 2-3 minutes. I wish you could smell this right now. Even the smell is very soothing. And it's done. It's nice and warm. I don't like it too hot, but obviously if that's how you prefer it, you can make it really warm, really hot as well. And I'm simply going to transfer it to my glasses here. And one I'm going to make with coconut oil. So in goes about a full teaspoon of coconut oil. And the other one I'm going to add in ghee. So this one will be vegan. And what the oil will do is that it will help soften you up. So it will be easier on your digestion as well. It will help with digestion. And let me give it a taste. It's perfect for those days where you just want to stay home, take a blanket, a book, disconnect. And this is something we struggle with a lot. Like we work all the time, we tire ourselves out, but we feel guilty when we want to stay home and rest. But it's as important as working, if not more. So do try this out. I hope it will help you with your anxiety. If you have sleep problems, I hope it will help you as well. And if you want more Ayurveda videos, do comment down below. I love making these videos, so I'll make much more. Hope to see you next time. Bye.